Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Cunning Homes' newly launched project that is codenamed Pearl, which is located on Sadahalli Main Road in North Bangalore. And in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. And now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So, book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. So basically this project is constructed on total of 15 acres of land parcel, but currently they will be launching with phase 1, and this phase 1 will be constructed on total 7 acres of land parcel consisting of 74 villas. All the villas will be of ground plus 2 floors with 4 BHK villas in this project. Now coming to the location part, and this project is located on Sadahalli Main Road in North Bangalore. You can connect to Prestige Tech Cloud in 2.7 kilometers. Spectrum Hotel Bangalore Airport is 2.9 kilometers. And airport toll is 3.2 kilometers from the location of the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project will be having world-class amenities like of clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, garden area and many more amenities. Now about the super built-up area. So as mentioned, this project consists of 4 BHK villas, and the villas here are starting from 2,600 square feet to 4,400 square feet super built-up area. Now about the booking process, and the project is in pre-launch stage. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of the residential villa project by Cunning Home, that is codenamed Pearl, which is located on Sadahalli Main Road in North Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.